I want to show you how to wire wrap little seed pearls on top of this frame. And I've got a small piece of wire and I'm going to start in the middle. And one side goes down. I'm going to hold it over on top. I'm going to hold it. You don't want too much wire, but at the same time you really don't want not having enough. So I'm going to hold on right where the placement is that I want. And I shift so that's right on top. And I push the wire right underneath so that it stays. I'm going to do once more around so for sure it's not going to shift. And as I'm doing this, I put my next pearl in. If the frame was a lot bigger, I would say you want to perhaps thread all of these first. So I'm just going to do that. And certainly you want more wire if it is the fact that you're going to do more of these beads. So now I hold on top, pull on it, make sure it's tight, snug, and I do that, and I trim. I'll trim a little later, but that's something that you want to do. And on the other side, I want to have the same number of wraps, so I pull on it. Using pliers really does help, and having longer wires makes it a lot easier. So this is where I want it to be. I'm going to hold on to it while I kink the wire right around the frame, and I'm going to shift it because I just want to make sure that right and left is even. Sometimes in the past I've wire wrapped and then I find out later that I've been going sideways. That's the last thing you want to do. And then you just need to do 2 more wraps around, and then you tuck in the wire and you're done. So what I'm going to do here, see, I've tucked it in and I like that. And no more adjustments. Then I trim. Very important is that the wires are cut in the back. I find that sometimes some people get a little bit sloppy and they cut in the front, and then it's not so pleasant looking. There you have it.